Good morning, guys. It is a new day today and it's exciting. Can you guess what it is? I'm going on a motorbike today with Ned that we've been doing our little trips around, but today we're not going in the car, we're going in the motorbike. On the motorbike, should I say. And it is my first ever time on a motorbike, so I'm pretty scared. Can't be that tired, like. Can't I? But I have my little leather pants. I put my hair in plaits because I'm going to be putting the helmet on and I didn't want it all over the place. So, and I have this two-piece from TK Maxx. The leather pants and the runners are actually both from the thrift store. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to bring the GoPro and see what I get on the GoPro. Hopefully I don't really know if I'm going to be able to hold it. I can't put it on my chest because I'm not going to be driving, so you're not going to see anything. I will get footage. I'm scared. I'll be okay. I need to breathe. I had my porridge and my coffee, so I'm like. So I will see you when I have got on the bike. Wish me luck. Is that the name of the village? No.
Yeah, that's the name.
How do you pronounce it?
Like Horikovo.
Horikovo.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a path. Do you want to go and see?
Yeah.
Hello guys! We are walking up to a waterfall. We're just after getting off the bike and it's really, really, really hot. And we're climbing up these rocks. I'll show you the view from here. It's so beautiful, and I took off my leather pants that I showed you this morning and I just have my little two-piece on. But we're going up to this waterfall that we're not sure if it is a waterfall yet. It looks like a little mini waterfall, but there's like 3 waterfalls and then there's like a church. I showed you, sorry. I showed you that I've told you I can't multitask. I'm going to show you this waterfall and then I'll talk to you when we're back down there, because I have the helmet onto this and the backpack on. And I'm climbing on these stones, so I will see you at the waterfall. That's the little waterfall, but we're going to go in this little cave and see what's in here. And I took the bag off too. Would there be snakes in here? Ooh, thanks. Don't do that because then something will come in. Oh. Look at that on the camera. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're writing our names. Oh, they're very big letters.
Because I do want people to
See it.
see it, yeah.
Looks like a horror film. Ah, will I do a little look at it?
Yeah. Okay.
Hey guys, we found a church. This isn't that church that we were going to go to because that's really, really high up. I don't think it's open. I'm gonna try. Oh, there's a key. Are you allowed to open it? Whoa. This is beautiful. Okay guys, so that was the church and now we are going to a waterfall. I'll show you the sign. We're not too sure, so we're at a crossroads. We came from this way and then there's a road there and then there's a road there. Right, well we're going to try to find it. Sorry I'm squinting, but I didn't bring sunglasses. I will see you when we find the waterfall, I guess. Goodbye! Okay guys, that's the name of the waterfall we're going to, and it's down here, but it's a very, very hot walk up to it, but I can hear it. We made it to the waterfall! We made it to the waterfall! I'm so good!
Welcome to Bulgaria!
Welcome back. It's a new day. We're on a new adventure today. We're going to a place called Devil's Throat. We're another, how far away? 30 minutes. I'm with Ned again. Say hello. And we're with the bike. I'll pop in a little video that I just took of the bike. But it's lovely and it's real sunny. It's not raining today either. And we're standing beside this little water fountain too. And I'm in new gear. Ned's gonna hold the camera. This is actually Mom's jacket, but, and then I have the same little two-piece thing that I had on underneath it, and my little leather pants and my shoes. and I'm absolutely sweating. I took Ned's helmet this time, and he has the one I was using the last time, and I have my little GoPro too. I haven't filmed yet on the GoPro because I was holding on for dear life on the way down. But we're gonna film on the way down. There's another good bit to go, and it's a nice view too. So I will see you, we will see you when we get to the Devil's Throat. Bye guys!
Bye guys!
Hello guys. We made it! Jamie Mac! Hello guys, we are outside inside the Devil's Throat, and that was really, really good. I've been here like 4 years ago before, but Ned hasn't been here before. But it was really, really good. I hope I got a bit of footage in there. And yeah, there was, what's the name of the two people? The two people, the man and the woman.
Oh, Orpheus and Eurydice.
Orpheus and Eurydice. They were in there. And there's holy water that we put little, like you put your coins in and then you make a wish, don't you?
Yeah.
So we done that. And I tried to film going up the stairs as well, but it was pretty hard. Ned had 2 hands on the thing and I had 1 trying to hold it. But I made it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Thank
yeah.
God.
Thank God. Thank God. Okay, so we're gonna go up there and see. I think it's just a bit higher. You might be able to see more.
Bye guys!
Bye guys! We only came about a couple of steps and it's like a little walkway bridge. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you go and we're gonna go back to the bike and then go get something to eat. So I will see you then, back on the GoPro too. Bye guys!
И как си излагал, че дошла тук в България?
Не знам.
За България. Това е много хубаво. Имаш проблеми с главоболие, високо, ниско кръвно, това нормализира кръвно.
Municipal blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
А това вече е букове мед за бронхит, за астма, за белите зъбове.
This is good for lungs.
I can't taste that.
Има вече буква борохмет с зелени оръчета, имаме акация, имаме абсолютно всички видове метчета.
What's this one for?
For the lungs, for the lightning.
Харесаха ли ти?